Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm making Singaporean rice. It's a layered rice dish. Start with the layer of steamed and cooked rice. Then we add a layer of chicken, noodles and vegetable mixture. Top it off with some mayo spicy sauce with some fried garlic and fried green chilies. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So first I'll make my chicken saucy mixture and I'll be needing some spaghetti noodles for that. So I cut the spaghetti noodles into half and then boil them according to the package instruction. Then drain them and keep them on the side. Now I took a cooking pot, heat some oil and add some minced ginger. Cook ginger until they are fragrant for like a minute or two, and then I'll be adding some boneless chicken pieces. Start cooking the chicken pieces until they completely change their color. Now it's time to add our seasoning and I'll be adding some salt, red chili flakes, some black pepper powder, sauces which is ketchup and some soy sauce. Now start mixing all the seasoning in the sauces until they completely cover your chicken mixture. Now we need to cook our chicken until it's completely tender. For that I'll be adding a cup of water, mix the water thoroughly and then cover and let it cook until the chicken is completely tender. Now when your chicken is tender, it's time to add some veggies. I'll be adding veggies which needs to be cooked first, which is some sliced carrots, some cubed capsicum and cubed onions. Mix them and bring them to one boil. Now I'll be adding rest of the veggies which include shredded cabbage, and then I'll be adding tomatoes which are seedless and I cut them into cubes as well. Now just bring them to one boil and then we'll be adding our pre-cooked boiled spaghetti. Now you don't have to add in the gravy, but then it will make our layering more easier. So I add my boiled spaghetti in the chicken mixture. Now we need to thicken this mixture. For that I just mix the corn flour into water and gradually adding it into this mixture. We don't need a very thick gravy, but it should look like a soup. And just bring it to one boil and it will thicken our gravy like so. Now we keep this on the side and let's go and make our mayo sauce. For that I added mayonnaise in a mixing bowl. I'm adding some vinegar, ketchup, salt and red chili flakes, and then mix everything well until they are completely combined with mayonnaise like so, and then cover and put it in the fridge until we go and let's start making our rice. For that I heated up some oil in a cooking pot. Now I'm adding some white cumin, black cumin and any star seed. But we have to be very careful at this time. They all can burn very fast, so just cook for some time. And then I'm adding some blanched green peas and then mix again because they are pre-cooked. So now I'm adding some pre-soaked regular rice and water, enough water which we need to cook our rice. Mix everything well. And then I'll be adding some salt. Mix again, and then we need to cook our rice on medium to high flame until the extra water dries out. And when you open up the lid, you can see all the bubbles are on top. So with a very light hand, the last time mix again and then cover, and at this time you can put it on the griddle until the rice fluff and they are cooked completely on a medium flame, on a very slow flame. Now we need to prepare our garnishes, which is some garlic and green chilies. So I am slicing some garlic into very thin slices. And for green chilies, I cut the green chilies lengthwise into quarters. Now then I took some small fry pan and I start frying my garlic until garlic is very nice but very light golden brown color. And I did the same with the green chilies. I added the green chilies into the same oil until they get that fried look. Now it's time to layer our Singaporean rice. For that, first I plated my rice and then I'm adding some cooked chicken and vegetable mixture. Now if you put the noodles on the side, so first add the spaghetti noodles on top of the rice, then add the chicken mixture. Now I'm adding some mayo, spicy mayo, delicious sauce on top of it. Add the garnishes, which are sliced garlic and green chilies, and this is how your Singaporean rice are ready to serve. As you can see, they have all delicious ingredients. They have chicken, vegetables, rice, pasta, delicious spicy mayo sauce, and it's a complete meal. It's a wholesome complete meal. You can make this dish for dinner parties or for your own family. If you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.